Up, down, up, down. You gonna do it again, Claire? Up, down.
Here, you keep ready for it.
Okay. Uh-oh. You want to get it?
You want the umbrella? You get to go under the umbrella. Look. Look, look. She's holding an umbrella. No. You don't like it? Here. You're shading. Dora.
What is that? Is it Dora?
It's a door and umbrella. So hold it over yourself like this. Whoopsie.
I don't think she liked it.
You like it? You like it? You like it?
Well, I don't know. Let's hope we don't poke her in the eye.
Yeah, I think she doesn't like it.
Oh, you want to pull on this? You can pull on this. So you got to let go of that one. Let go of that one. There you go, Claire. Claire, you can pull on this one.
I think our favorite thing right now is that.
Cheese.
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 Yeah, yeah. All right.
Wow, that's pretty fun. Look how strong you are, Claire.
She is really strong. Is that fun, Claire? Huh? She loves this.
Yeah, who knew?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah? You like it, huh? Yeah. Uh-huh.
Uh-oh.
You want to get the rope? Oh, you're climbing up? Really, Claire?
Here, I'll take the camera.
Oh,
You
okay.
can do whatever you want. I'll
Okay,
do you
it's
interacting.
video. Okay.
All right, here we go.
Are you going to climb up? You want me help, Mommy help you?
Nice, Claire.
Okay, you got the rope. Okay, want to come down?
What a good thought you had. Cheese. Cheese.
Up, down.
Climb.
You want to climb all the way up? Yeah. Okay. How are you going to get up there? Are you going to get it all by yourself? Yeah. Yeah? She's kind of fearless.
Yeah,
Just
no
kind of scary.
kidding.
Hold on, you know what? She can't go by herself. I know you could do it, but I'm scared. Okay, Mommy's scared. Okay? I'm so scared. Whoa! Okay. Up, down. Yeah? What are we going to put inside? Are we going to put something in there?
Yeah. Mama, I just made something not clear with my light.
Oh, yeah, in the front?
Yeah.
Should we go inside now, Claire? Yeah? Are you hungry? Claire, are you hungry?
Claire, I have something for you.
And I just swatted a mosquito off of me.
Oh,
Yeah.
go inside.
Claire, I just made something for you.
So you just kind of